Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use File Recovery Easy Guide. Stop using the drive immediately and make a full disk image before attempting recovery. Select a recovery tool that supports your file types and file system, then run a deep scan on the image copy. Review recovered files carefully and save them to a different drive to avoid repeated damage or data loss. Pick recovery software that offers a preview and deep scan options to maximize chances of file retrieval. Start with a read-only scan on an image so you do not alter original sectors. Use file type filters to speed up the scan and focus on important formats like photos, documents, or databases. After previewing results, export recovered files to a separate external drive to keep the original media untouched. Begin by creating a forensic image of the affected drive with a reliable imaging tool and verify the image hash. Run a read-only scan on the image and use file carving for fragmented or partially corrupted files. Carefully review previews and validate recovered files by opening them in safe viewers. Finally, copy validated files to a new storage location and maintain at least 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.